Hello everybody and welcome back. Now we're here on a tutorial on how to install the the Homebrew channel the Homebrew the backup Homebrew channel what. So then okay, let's get started. Then we'll have to go here and here you go guys. And I will put this link right here in the description for the WAT file and then we'll press download and you have it, and there you go, you have a file. And there you go, you have that WAT file. Okay, and then you will move it to the SD card. And there you go, you have it in, oh wait, my mistake, you have to actually move it to WAT. And there you go guys. Okay, now we'll go to the Nintendo Wii. Hello, okay, now we're back on okay, so as I was saying about installing backup HPC, backup homebrew channel. So then, and all we have to do is we have to go here to the homebrew channel, and then we have to go to here to Wiimote Lite, and then press load. Okay, you have to please wait, have a little bit of patience, and there you go. Okay, now we'll go to Watt Manager and press A and click here where it says backup HPC. And HPC is short for homebrew channel. So yeah, we have to press A to install what? And there you go. Now we'll return back to the loader. And now we'll go back to the system menu. And here you go guys. It's right here. It's installed already. Over there says this is a backup just in case. Over there says the homebrew channel, this is a backup just in case. Alright, and when you press start, oh, there you go guys, it's working. Okay, there you go. No. Oh, an update. Oh, come on. And also saying this one. Okay, what does it say in here? Let me read. What does it say? An update to the Homebrew channel version replacing this installed. It's available for... No thank you. No thank you. And there you go guys, it's different. Okay, let's go back to the Wii menu. It says boring. Well, that's ridiculous, man. Yes, I do. I want to go back to the Wii menu. Yeah. I was just trying when I pressed start here because I thought it wouldn't work because I remember I installed other homebrew channel watts like the pirate channel and it didn't work. One named the pirate channel watt. And also the green homebrew channel also didn't work. So yeah, it's so that's why I tried that. Well, I think that what file works. Okay, so bye.